This is how we're going to access the system. We're going to go ahead and screw this here blue hose onto the access valve. Alright. Got the vacuum pump going. It's pulling down a vacuum. So far it's at -20. When it gets down to -30, then I'm going to shut off valves, cut off the vacuum pump. Open it up and let it get up to about 10, but don't let it get above 10. Now close it back. Close it back. I'm leaving my can upwards too. You don't flick it upside down. You want vapor in there. You don't want liquid. Alright, let's see that. I feel the can getting cold. What I'm doing is I'm turning this little valve right here, because I don't want to add this in too fast. That is the key. You don't want that to go in there. What you do, if you choke it down, it's just as bad as if it ain't got any in it. I'm feeling the can. I can feel the can. It's cold to the touch. That means there's gas flowing out of it. So the compressor's pulling. When I shut this valve off, we want it to get it to between 0 and 5. When we get through with this, we don't want to exceed 5 pounds. While we're charging it, we don't want it to go above 10 for fear that we'll flood. We don't want to force it in too fast. We don't want liquid going in, but we want to let it go in nice and easy and slow. Nice and slow. Going in because the can's getting frosty on my hand. It's getting cold. If it'll sit at 5 and stay, then you're done. All we got to do now is shut off this here. Put that off. That's already off.